Hello and welcome back. We are learning conditional formatting, and in this particular session we will see how to do conditional formatting based on a date column. So let's consider this particular inventory report and we will select this date range on which we are going to do conditional formatting. We will first begin with a simple option available in the quick access menu of conditional formatting. So we are going to click here, go to highlight cell rules and select a date occurring option. Here you will find various options readily available. So these are yesterday, today, tomorrow, and so on. So let's select this month as the option, and Excel also gives you a predetermined format which is here. You can select any one of these. So let's select a green field, and so in this particular column any date which belongs to February 2018 is getting highlighted. Let's once again try this, and first we are going to clear this rule, and now we are going to use the new rule method. Instead of using this particular method, we are going to use this method of new rule, and we will click on format only cells that contain. When you click here, you will get option to select what value you are looking for, and in this particular case we will select date occurring option, and you will get the same options here. So let's say last month is the criteria we have chosen. We will format these cells with yellow color and click OK on it. And there you go. You'll find everything that falls in January 2018 is getting highlighted. So we have as of now seen how to highlight that particular column which has date in it. Let's say you want to highlight the entire row corresponding to these dates. So what we are going to do is, first we will clear the rule. Always clear the old rule so that you can start fresh and you don't make any mistake. We will select this particular range, which is the entire range. We'll go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, and this time we are going to use the formula. We will not use this option, because let's see what happens if you use this option. And we are going to say date occurring, and let's say last month, format is yellow color, click OK. Okay, even though you have chosen the entire range, you still get only date column highlighted. So in order to highlight the entire range, we have to use another method. I'm going to clear these rules and we will click on new rule, and this time we'll use a formula. Let's say we want to find out inventory purchase 30 days ago. So the formula is going to be equal to, and whenever you want to highlight the entire row in the range, you should use $sign to identify that column. We are going to use $D4. As we said, we should always write the text for the first cell. So the first cell is D4, and that should be less than today, open bracket, close bracket, less 30. And we will select the format as yellow. We click OK and we click OK, and there you see everything that is more than 30 days old has been selected in yellow, and the entire row corresponding to that particular cell has been colored. So this is how you perform operations on date in order to get conditional highlight. So in formula cell you can probably write any formula, logical formula related to date. As long as that logical formula gives an answer in terms of true or false, it will work.